Be So Luxe yarn is my #2 sport weight bamboo and cotton blended yarn. It's sold in balls that have 158 yards per 1.75 ounces. It retails for $5.99 a ball and is available exclusively on my website with bulk discounts and options for free shipping. In the following video, I'm going to show you 28 nature-inspired color palettes. It's hard for me to choose a favorite. Can you pick your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.